Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A4 tire. First, ensure your Audi A4 is parked on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake for safety. Gather your essential tools, a reliable jack, a lug wrench, and wheel chocks. Before lifting the car, use the lug wrench to slightly loosen all the lug nuts on the wheel you intend to remove. This makes full removal easier later. Now, carefully position the jack under the designated jack point near the wheel you are changing. Consult your Audi A4 owner's manual for the exact location. Slowly raise the vehicle until the tire is completely off the ground and can spin freely. Once lifted, finish unscrewing the lug nuts by hand and carefully pull the wheel straight off the hub. With the old wheel off, carefully place your spare or new tire onto the wheel studs, aligning the holes. Hand tighten all the lug nuts, ensuring they are snug. It's best to tighten them in a star or crisscross pattern to ensure even seating. Now, slowly lower the vehicle using the jack until the tire just makes contact with the ground. With the vehicle fully on the ground, use your lug wrench to give a final, firm tightening to all the lug nuts, again following that star pattern. Double-check your tire pressure and ensure all tools are safely stored away. Remember, proper tightening is crucial for safety. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and self-emptying, please see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.